Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about the most common concerns that turn that check engine light, malfunction indicator light, or whatever light you want to call it on the dash of your vehicle that comes on when there's a concern with your engine, drivability, powertrain on your vehicle. One of the most common these days is catalyst efficiency. Although you need to be very careful. Unfortunately, this is often diagnosed as a bad catalyst when often it can be a monitoring O2 sensor, an exhaust leak letting oxygen in, or other concerns. So you need to have this diagnosed properly. This can be an expensive repair to replace a catalyst if it's not the problem on the vehicle. Other issues include EGR failures, which is exhaust gas recirculation, used to reduce NOx in the vehicle, which probably doesn't mean a lot to folks. It is an emission component. Fuel control, as far as that goes, we end up with lean conditions. Those are codes that are caused, meaning that the fuel to air ratio is not correct. Misfires and other issues often come right behind that. These are some really common issues that we see. Most of them are easily repaired if diagnosed properly by a qualified technician. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Automan, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.